A very beautiful morning to all my beautiful children. Welcome to my channel Happy Learning, and in today's segment we will talk about poster making. This topic is there in class 12th, so let's discuss about it. And in this video I will explain you what is poster making, what is the format, and important points to remember. So let's start the video now without wasting any further time. Poster making is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. A poster should be visually attractive and readable from distance. They are extensively used by NGOs, that is non-government organizations, or political parties, government departments, and etc. Okay, so this is called poster making. So I hope that you have understood the definition. How do you define the poster making? Now the second thing comes is format of a poster. So there are important things which you need to remember while writing a poster. Okay, now you can see a picture of two different poster makings here. I have pasted here. You can see the one is from 4G and the another is from books. Okay, so we will talk about it. Now let's understand that what is the proper format of making poster writing. So first of all, you have to write the issuing authority. Okay, by whom or by which organization the poster is being published. That means you have to write the name of the organization or the company at the top of the poster, that this particular poster is being issued by such and such company. Okay, then second thing comes your tagline of the event. It has to be in accordance with the question, catchy tagline for the occasion. It should be clearly visible, thus it can be bold, underlined, or in capitals. That means the tagline of the event should be very catchy. That means the words which you use while writing the poster writing, it should be very attractive and very catchy. Okay, the third thing comes the title of the event. It should be short and as per the question. Special attractions, this is optional. For example, guest speaker, etc. And the illustration, it involves pictorial representation. For example, a drop of blood for blood donation camp. If we have made poster on blood donation camp, then you can show all these pictures like dropping the blood into that poster, and that will be signified, that it signifies that you have made this poster for blood donation camp, and it will be very understandable for public also. Special attractions this is okay. Illustration, I have told you date, time, and venue. It is very important to mention date, time, and venue also of the event. It is a point you cannot risk forgetting. And next thing is your contact information. In case of any queries, the targeted audience should have someone to contact. If somebody wants to contact you through this poster making, then he or she or anyone else can contact you easily. Okay, so you need to mention your contact details also, and some other relevant information, like if there is any other information mentioned in the question is supposed to be there in the poster, it is important you to mention it. Okay, so this is your poster making. Now let's talk about the important things to be remembered. Now first of all, we will talk about the do's which you need to do while making the poster writing. Okay, so the do's are: make sure it fits within one page only. So if you are making any poster making, then it should be fitted in only one page. Okay, and use sharpened pencils. Whenever you are making any poster, you need to use sharpened pencils. And the third thing is that everything should be bold and underlined. That means your important information, the tagline and the slogans if you have written into the poster writing. And what are the don'ts which you are not supposed to do while making the poster writing? The first thing is that no usage of short forms or slangs. It is not acceptable. right? So everyone, you need to remember it, that if you are making any poster writing, then you are not supposed to use any short forms or slangs, or you are not supposed to use abbreviations also. Okay, do not exceed the prescribed word limit. That means the poster making should be only in 40 to 50 words, and everything should be the lesson which you want to give from your poster making. It has to be there in your poster. Okay, so it's all about the poster making now, and I hope that this video will help you to understand about the poster making. Now the pictures which we have here in this video, like the first picture, it's clearly written at the top of the picture Ford-G. This is the company, and the company has made a poster regarding a new model car. Okay, so they have given a slogan also, you can see here, seeing is believing. Okay, and they have mentioned about it that running on compressed natural gas. That means this particular car is running only on compressed natural gas, and they are inviting the people at their showroom, which is their D43, Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Okay, this is the address of the showroom, and also they have said that enjoy pollution free drive, buy a fuel efficient and environmental friendly car. It's truly the vehicle of the new millennium. So that's how the poster should be written. Okay, that's how the word should be chosen by a poster writer. Okay, and just below that we have another poster writing. So this poster is about the books fest. Okay, now the one who has made this poster making, he has written right in front of books that our best friends. So he has mentioned it about the books, that books are our best friends. Okay, so he has made a picture of books in the middle of the poster, and on the right hand side of the poster he has written, take a book a day, don't delay, make reading a regular habit. And these are the slogans, these are the messages which the poster maker has given to the audience, or to the readers, or to the public. Okay, your school library has 10,000 books. When you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover, read it. Reading makes a ready man. So these are the taglines which the poster maker had given over here. All right, read best, speak best, think best. Again, these are the slogans. Okay, books inform, instruct, delight and enrich. So he has mentioned the quality of the books. If you read the books, it will inform you, it will instruct you, it will make you delight, and it will enrich your life. Okay, so that's how you can form the poster writing. Okay, like in the first and second picture, these two posters are here. All right, I hope that after watching this video you will be able to figure it out, that what would be the correct format of poster making, and how you have to write a poster by using the slogans and all these beautiful lines. Okay, so follow the guidelines, follow the instructions, and you can watch it. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. So at the end, I just want to say that stay tuned with Happy channel and keep learning. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, please share, comment and like it, and also don't forget to press the bell icon, so that if I post any new video on this channel, you get notified by me. Okay, thank you so much everyone, have a good day.